In a Mercedes Sprinter 906 chassis. This car has had DPF issues. Now don't have it. I'm gonna ask the owner driver about his van's experience, what has happened, what was the problems, and how he feels after the test drive just now.
Hi there everyone. My name is Ali. This is my Mercedes Sprinter. I bought it 4 years ago and I started having DPF issues. I had many misdiagnoses, and I went to another garage who I thought had cleared the DPF issues. Recently it's been losing power. I've had a warning engine light and all sorts of issues, and I took it to Errol because I've known Errol for a year and a half now. After having problems with my BMW 5 Series, where I spent a lot of money, I spent a lot of time, I went to a lot of garages trying to diagnose the problems, and all I got was misdiagnosis. All I got was expensive bills and a waste of time. Stressed me out very much. It upset my family. My parents were very upset. And then luckily I found Errol, who's a master engineer, and master means he understands mechanical, electronic, electrical, ECU, DPF. He's a master engineer and I trust Errol. So that's why I brought my Mercedes back to him. And I told Errol I thought I had cleared the DPF issues 4 years ago. And it turned out the guy I'd used previously, the guy that I'd spent money on, didn't even do the work at all. At all. Unbelievable. I've got my van back. It feels like a new van. Feels so much more powerful, and I just can't believe why I wasted time on all these other garages. That's why I travel from Gravesend in Kent. I come all the way to Errol here because he's the only guy I trust. The only guy I trust. Okay, thank you, Errol.
Thank you very much, Ali. Thank you. Good luck. All the best.
Thank you.
Well, we'll see you on another happy customer on supremedpfcleaning.com. You can ask me, call me, all your DPF related questions and any other really engine management issues. We are the experts. We can help you. Thanks for watching.